Kubernetes is one of the most important pieces in building an AI stack, especially as containers are heavily used in data science. With GPUs being used pervasively now, Ops and SRE teams are being asked to provide a turnkey and self-service experience for their data scientists. Organizations have been forced to internally develop complex tooling for lifecycle management of a fleet of GPU-enabled clusters. Doing this is not easy. It's expensive and time-consuming. It is also non-strategic in every possible way for most organizations because this is technically undifferentiated tooling for them. In this video, we will see how the Rafay Kubernetes operations platform enables software developers, data scientists, and DevOps engineers to easily build and operate GPU-enabled Kubernetes clusters at scale. Using a platform like Rafay allows them to focus their limited time on developing their GPU-accelerated deep learning, training, or inference apps instead of undifferentiated infrastructure and tooling. With Rafay, you can use a declarative cluster specification to provision and operate GPU-powered Kubernetes clusters in minutes. In this example, we have provisioned an Amazon EKS cluster with two node groups. The first node group has generic worker nodes, and the second node group is based on AWS's G4 EC2 instances that have an NVIDIA GPU attached to each node. With Rafay, architects can create cluster blueprints with all the required software components for enabling GPUs, etc. They can also share this organization-wide. Cluster blueprints allow users to quickly operationalize Kubernetes clusters for GPUs without requiring deep technical expertise. In this example, a cluster blueprint has been applied to our EKS cluster with NVIDIA GPUs, and it encompasses the GPU operator and other components required to make the cluster ready to accept GPU workloads. The Rafay detects the presence of GPUs on cluster nodes and configures the managed monitoring add-on to automatically scrape GPU metrics that are aggregated centrally at the controller. Contextual dashboards with GPU metrics are available just a click away for authorized users. To GPUs on Kubernetes using Rafay. Sign up for a free Rafay org by going to rafay.co/start. Use the Get Started for GPU exercise to provision an Amazon EKS cluster with GPU worker nodes. Deploy a GPU-enabled workload and view GPU metrics on the integrated Rafay console.